Hi, this is Natasha, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Where makeup is a passion, and so is fashion. Today's haul is my mom's birthday gift. Her birthday is August the 6th, so I went ahead and pre-picked up her birthday gift in advance so I could have it ready for her birthday party, which we're celebrating it on the 10th, which is the Saturday after the 6th. So the birthday falls on a weekend. So one of the things that I bought her two things. Well, me and my family bought her two things. One being a power bank because we were going to a funeral back home, and she had her card attached to her cell phone, and I asked her did she have a power battery pack with her, and she said yeah. And she pulled out her phone with her charger, and I said no, that's not a battery power bank. So I pulled out mine, and I had several on me. I carry several of them on me when I travel, and I carry like one or two average on me when I leave the house to make sure that I have ample power for if my phone, or because I carry around a Nintendo Switch with me. So and sometimes I carry my iPad with me, and I have my cell phone with me. So I want to have something to charge them up with when I'm playing with them. And so I was showing her the newest one that I had bought, which was a 50,000 mAh, and I had several smaller ones. Which the smallest one was 5,000, and the other ones was um 10, 12. I can't remember. I think that was probably it. 10, 12, 5, and 50,000. And so she tried to jack me for one. And I kept telling her, no, you can't have it. You can borrow it, but you can't have it because I need all my power banks. And she kept on. And so then I finally decided to let her use the pink one. And she was like, no, I'm going to keep it. And I'm like, no, Mom, you can borrow it. And she's like, no, I'm going to keep it. And I'm like, no, Mom, you can borrow it. I've been had that one for 20 years. And I don't think it's going to be compatible with your thing because um, iPhone didn't have a supercharger like it is now. And I said, so it may not be compatible. Well, sure enough, it wasn't compatible. So her phone in the line kept tripping the charger off. So basically, I ended up taking it off of the what you call it and charging it to the bus station line. And so when I gave her back a phone, it didn't have the battery pack attached to it anymore. And you could see that she was sad. She was like, she just looked at me. She was like, "Did you get it?" And I was like, "Yeah." And she just kind of went quiet on me. And I said, Mom, it wasn't charging. It kept tripping it off. So, like I told you, the battery pack is like 20 years old, and it didn't. It I iPhone was not a supercharger with this kind of power before, so it's not compatible with the phone. It keeps tripping it off, and you had to keep pushing the button to turn it back on, and it tripped it back off. So I decided I'm going to surprise her. Me and my family are going to surprise her with her own battery pack, and I got it in red, and it is a 15,000 mAh, so it should be able to handle the power of her iPhone. I think she has an iPhone 12 or 13 or 14. It's not that much power to it, so this should be able to handle it. And it came. Let me make sure here. Yeah, it came fully charged. Let's see how to. As you can see here, it lit up. So let's push it again so you can see it. It's came fully charged. And it did come with two in the box. I kept the blue one and I'm giving her the red one because it made me realize when it tripped off hers, that's probably what was happening to mine. Why I wasn't charging my phone was that my phone was too powerful for the old battery pack also. So I needed to update it for myself as well. So we bought two in the back, and so we're gonna give her one. And I'm keeping the blue one, and she's getting the red one. We got it from Amazon and bought it from Prime sale. So it was they were regularly for $27. Got it for $21 or $22. And each one came with a charger, which is a a USB-C. So it comes with that. So that's what she will get. And it comes with the instructions also. It is still for sale on Amazon, so you can see them there. Like I said, I think they're like $27 and some change. So also pick this up for her birthday. Now I'm thinking when she starts going back to church, she'll have a clutch for church, and I'm hoping she will love this because I have a horse head myself clutch, but mine is black and white with yellow at the nostrils of the horse. So I got hers silver and gold, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? You can see the eyes; they really blend in. This is what it looks like on this side. Close it so you can see the full effect of it. Okay, this is the inside, and this is made by let me see if I can see the name. Boutique FGG. Okay, whoever that is. This is the strap. Now, let's see if this crossbody. It's long. Looks like it's two straps. Let me make sure. Yeah, they gave her two straps. Yeah, here's one. But the other one must be shorter. Yeah, the other one is shorter. They gave her two straps. This one is the shorter one. And it also comes with the beads. So if she loses some beads on there, she's able to put them back together. There is no pockets in here. And this will not fit a cell phone. There's no ifs, ands, but about it. It will not fit a cell phone. You have to hold your cell phone in your hand. At least you won't miss no phone calls if you got your cell phone in your hands. And that side opens. It's from the top there will look like ears, but they're not ears. So these are the ears right here. But this is so pretty. Alright, so it comes with a dust bag. Well, it comes with two dust bags. This is one, the felt bag. And then it comes with another one, which says Boutique DFGG. And it opens. So this is really nice. Real pretty. So this is going to be a nice birthday gift for her next month. Um, so with that, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night. God bless.